in the streets, they marching for a cause, but it's a twisted vision, yeah, it's filled with flaws. Rapture's near, and you see the signs, neo-Nazi vibes, they crossing all the lines. Memorial Day march, that flag they wave, paint in front in the light, but it's a violent grave. Reclaim white America, that's the battle cry, feeding off the hate while the real ones die. Rise up, it's a call for the fight, stand tall, stand firm, we know what's right. Together we push back through the darkest night, hope over hate will shine a light. So let's reclaim our values, let's reclaim our pride, stand against the darkness, let love be our guide. Patriot Front can't control what we represent, united we're stronger, love is omnipotent. We on the brink, yeah, can you feel the heat? Race war brewing, it's a dangerous feat. Patriot Front ready, spilling blood on the street, but we ain't backing down, no retreat. It's rapture, it's rapture, it's rapture, it's rapture. Stories of pain out loud in our streets, but together we rise, breaking down the concrete. Trump may embolden, but he won't take our soul. We reclaim our America, the story untold. See the movement of justice, the tide it will turn. For every heart broken, it's love we will earn. Reclaim white America, they scream and shout, but what about the justice when we're living in doubt? Feeling the weight of a nation on edge, with threats and violence, they're teetering on the ledge. Yeah, the tent is thick like the smoke in the air, but we won't back down, we'll rise from despair. Counting the days till the havens subsides, in the heart of the city, where the love still fries. Patriot Front's calling, they want blood on the floor, but united we stand, we fight for so much more. Today with the flags held high, underneath the surface, watch the truth go by. Trump's back and white supremacist moves, on the streets at night with threats, they're making their grooves. Charles M. moral attack on the streets, and race wars rising, feel the hate in the beats. Emboldened by the loud screams of the past, but unity's the answer, can love hold fast? You, the flags are flying, but the truth is dying. Division our people got us all out here crying. Patriot Front's calling, they want blood on the floor, but united we stand, we fight for so much more. They think it's a game, just a march in the night, but darkness can't win when we're ready to fight. For every threat and every job sent our way, we stand together, we'll never decay. In a world where the good die young, and they preach that the fight's just begun, we take a stand, united we rise, no space for the hate, no more alibis. But in the shadows lurking with the venomous plans, every hand that lifts a weapon will feel justice's hands. Ain't no future in division, ain't no future in fear. Together we forge peace, let the love be clear. Rise up, it's a call for the fight. Stand tall, stand firm, we know what's right. Together we push back through the darkest night. Hope over hate will shine a light. So let's reclaim our values, let's reclaim our pride. Stand against the darkness, let love be our guide. Patriot Front can't control what we represent. United we're stronger, love is omnipotent. We on the brink, yeah, can you feel the heat? Race war brewing, it's a dangerous feat. Patriot Front ready, spilling blood on the street, but we ain't backing down, no retreat. It's rapture, it's rapture, it's rapture, it's rapture.
that shit.